Destiny Hope Cyrus, professionally known as Miley Cyrus, was born on 23rd of November in 1992. She is an American singer, songwriter, and actress. Today she is celebrating her birthday of 31 years. Cyrus is cited as one of the few examples of child star with a successful musical career as an adult. The daughter of country singer Billy Ray Cyrus, she emerged as teen idol at the age of 13 as the lead character in the Disney Channel television series Hannah Montana, released from 2006 to 2011. As Hannah Montana, she achieved success on the Billboard chart with the #1 soundtrack in the US Top 10. Cyrus's solo career started with the US #1 pop rock album Meet Miley Cyrus, released in 2007, and Breakthrough, released in 2008. Cyrus has received numerous accolades including 2 Grammy Awards, 1 Brit Award, 5 Billboard Music Award, 3 MTV Video Music Award, and 8 Guinness World Record. She was ranked as #1 for Greatest Artist of All Time, the 9th Great Billboard 200 Female Artist, and among the greatest pop stars of 21st century by Billboard. Cyrus has featured in lists such as Time 100, Forbes Celebrity 100, and 30 under 30 years old, and one of most successful artists in the 2010s according to Billboard. Outside of music and acting, Cyrus founded the no-profit Happy Hip Foundation in 2013, which focuses on the LGBT community and youth homeless, and was supported by the web video series Backyard Session from 2012 to 2023. Besides a successful career as a musician, she also acted in movies such as Big Fish, Bolt, Hannah Montana, The Last Song, Roar, So Undercover, Miley Cyrus, Tongue-Tied, The Night Before, A Very Merry Christmas, Guardian of the Galaxy Volume 2, Drive Away Dolls, is in 2024. Wishing happy birthday to Miley Cyrus. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write in the comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Some of those information was posted by Wikipedia. Uyu munsi ni isabukuru y'amavuko ya Destiny Hope Cyrus cyangwa Miley Ray Cyrus, wamenyekanye nka Miley Cyrus. Yavutse tariki 23 kwa 11/1992. Uyu munsi kandi isabukuru y'32. Miley Cyrus akaba ari umwana wa Billy Ray Cyrus nawe w'umuririmbyi. Yazamutse nk'umwana muto ku myaka 13 nyuma y'aho akiniye muri filime y'uruhererekane yitwa Hannah Montana, kimwe kuva 2006 kugera 2011. Cyrus atangiye kuririmba wenyine yahereye kuri album yitwa Meet Miley Cyrus yasohotse muri 2007, ndetse na Breakout yasohotse muri 2008. Miley Cyrus mu muziki yatsindiye ibihembo bitandukanye harimo nka inshuro 2 Grammy Award, inshuro 1 Brit Award, inshuro 5 Billboard Music Award, inshuro 3 MTV Music Video Award, ndetse ashyirwa n'abatsindiye Guinness Record inshuro 8. Tuve mu muziki, Miley Cyrus yashinze ikigo gishinzwe kurengera abaryamana bahuje ibitsina mu mwaka wa 2014, ndetse akina no kuri filime yitwa Backyard Session kugira ngo ifashe uwo mushinga yakiniye kuva 2012 kugeza 2023. Mu gukina filime, Miley Cyrus yagaragaye muri filime Big Fish, Bolt, Roar, The Last Song, So Undercover, The Night Before, A Very Merry Christmas, Guardian of the Galaxy Volume 2, Drive Away ariyo heruka gukinwa yasohotse muri 2024. Bakoze kubana nanjye, nagusaba like na subscribe by'umenye makuru agezweho. Tekereza icyo mwunganizi wanyandikira muri comment, uko zigira ibihe byiza.